pedal equation of a polar curve. So here, what is pedal equation of a polar curve means? Here the equation of the given curve r equals f of theta. R equals f of theta expressed in terms of P and R. P and R is called as the pedal equation. Or they will call it as another name as PR equation. PR equation of the curve r equals f of theta. R equals f of theta. Here definition is very important, remember that one. So here we have to note the formulas. So we know that P is equal to R sin phi. P is equal to R sin phi, and another one is, so 1 over P square equals 1 over R square into cosecant square phi, or this can be written as 1 over P square is equal to 1 over R square into 1 plus cot square phi. So you have to remember these two formulas. So we'll use in the problems. So problem: find the pedal equation. Find the pedal equation of the following curves. So first one, 2a by r equals 1 plus cos theta. 2a by r equals 1 plus cos theta. So solution: here let 2a by r equals 1 plus cos theta. I will take here. Now taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So if you taking log on both sides, what you get? Log 2a by r equals log of 1 plus cos theta. Log of 1 plus cos theta. So here we use the formula here, logarithmic formula. Log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. Use that formula for this one. So what happened? Here, so here log 2a minus log r equals, what do you get, log of 1 plus cos theta. You will get log of 1 plus cos theta. So now differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, we get, so if you differentiate with respect to theta, now here what do you get, 2a is constant, so this becomes 0 minus, if you differentiate log r, you will get 1 by r. So if you differentiate r is a function of theta, so this becomes dr by d theta equals, here this can be, if you differentiate with respect to theta, what do you get, 1 over 1 plus cos theta into differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Now minus cot phi equals minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So minus minus get cancel. So cot phi equals, sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into, what do you get, cos theta by 2 whole divided by 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So cot phi equals, here 1 cos and 1 cos get eliminated. So sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 you will get. So sin by cos is, you will get tan. So this becomes cot phi equals, what do you get, tan theta by 2. So convert it into tan cot this one. So what do you get, cot phi equals, this can be written as cot pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Minus theta by 2. So cot eliminated. So we'll get phi equals pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Theta by 2. So this is not your answer. What is the answer should be? Here, what is the definition? Here, the given curve r is equal to f of theta. The given curve is r equals f of theta, in the form of theta is there. So expressed in terms of p and r. So answer should be in p and r only, not in theta. So what happened now? We have to use the formulae. So we know that, otherwise I'll consider p is equal to r sin phi. So p equals r into sin of, here what is phi? It is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So sin of pi by 2 minus theta by 2 is, what do you get? That is cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. Now here you have to eliminate the theta only in terms of p and r. Constant ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇರಲಿ ಏನಾರು ಇರಲಿ, no problem. A, B, C, D constant, those all are constant, right? No problem in that. But you have to eliminate the theta. So you have to use this formula, either this one or this one. So otherwise you have to eliminate theta means, without using this one also you can eliminate the theta means you can do that one. So what I'll do here, I will consider this equation. Now we have a equation. What do you get? 2a by r equals 1 plus cos theta. So this can be written as, here 2a by r equals, what do you get, 2 cos square theta by 2. So here I will call it this one as equation 1, and here and here we know that, and we know that P is equal to R cos theta by 2. So I call this one as equation 2. So what happened now here, in equation before that I can cancel this one, 2 also you can cancel that one. So what you get, A by R equals, what do you get, cos square theta by 2. And here we know that P is, here I recorded this one as equation 1, and here P is equal to R cos theta by 2. I got as here equation 2. So here this can be written as cos theta by 2 can be written as P by R. So substitute in this above equation 1, or so what do you get, if you substitute in equation 1, so what do you get, A by R equals, what do you get, P by R whole square. So this can be written as A by R equals, here P square divided by R square. So 1 R get cancelled, so P square equals AR. So what is the definition in terms of P and R? In terms of P and R is the solution, right? So A is constant, no problem in that one. So therefore this is the required solution. So is the required pedal equation, is the required pedal equation. So next problem, R equals R into 1 minus cos theta equals 2A So what do you get now? Here solution, so let R into 1 minus cos theta equals 2A. So taking log on both sides, so what do you get here, log R into 1 minus cos theta equals log 2A. So here now this can be written as log R plus log of 1 minus cos theta equals log 2A. So now differentiate with respect to theta, so we get so 1 by R here, if you differentiate 1 by R into dr by d theta, plus here if you differentiate 1 minus cos theta into, if you differentiate this one, you'll get here 0 minus of minus. If you differentiate cos theta minus sin theta, you will get. So equals, if you differentiate the constant term, it becomes 0. So 1 by r into dr by d theta equals, here I will take this one to left hand side, minus sin theta divided by, here minus into minus plus, again if you take it to left hand right hand side, you will get minus. So 1 minus cos theta. So this can be written as cot phi. So cot phi equals, here minus 2, here sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole divided by here 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 sin get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. So cot phi equals, so what you get, minus cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2. So this can be written as cot theta by 2. So cot phi equals minus cot theta by 2. So this can be written as, here cot phi equals here, so cot minus theta by 2. This can be written as cot of minus theta by 2. So cot get eliminated. So phi is equal to minus theta by 2. So now we have to consider p is equal to r sin phi here. So what do you get here? Consider p is equal to r sin phi. So p equals r into sin of minus theta by 2. So here my sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So minus r into sin theta by 2. So now you have to find out here theta here. This you have to replace sin theta by 2. So what will here? Now we have a equation. So what is the equation we have here? R into, what do you get equation? R into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2a. So r into, this can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2 is equal to 2a. So 2 will get cancelled. So what do you get? Sin square theta by 2 equals a by r. So I transfer this r to right hand side. So next what you get here? Now we know that here p is equal to minus r into sin theta. We know that sin square. So so what you do here? This can be written as what you get here? Minus p by r equals sin theta by 2. So substitute here. So what you get here? Minus p by r whole square equals a by r. So what you get here? This minus whole square means it is plus square. So p square divided by r square equals a by r. So 1 r get cancelled. So what do you get here? P square is equal to a by r. So equation in terms of what you get? P and r only will get. So this is the required solution. So is the required Padel equation is the required Padel equation. So here next one, r square equals a square into secant 2 theta. So here solution, let r square equals a square into secant 2 theta. So here taking log on both sides. So if you taking log on both sides, what do you get here? Log r square is equal to log of a square into secant 2 theta. So this can be written as here 2 times of log r equals log of, this can be written as a square plus log of secant 2 theta. So here now differentiate with respect to theta, we get, so 2 into this can 1 by r into dr by d theta will get, so equals, this is constant, so this term becomes 0 plus here if you differentiate you will get 1 over secant 2 theta into here if you differentiate the secant you will get 2 here secant you will get secant 2 theta into tan 2 theta. So if you differentiate 2 theta you will get 2. So here secant 2 theta get cancelled, so 2 into here this can be written as cot phi, and here what do you get 2 tan 2 theta, so 2 will get cancelled, so cot phi equals tan, you have to convert it into cot, so this can be written as cot pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So this can here cot get eliminated, so phi is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So now we consider P is equal to r sin phi. So what is phi? Phi is here P is equal to r into sin of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now here this can be written as, what do you get here? Cos 2 theta. So P is equal to r into, this can be written as cos 2 theta. So here now we have to consider the equation. So what is the equation here? R square is equal to a square into secant 2 theta. So this can be written as here r square divided by a square. So this can be written as here I'll consider here secant 2 theta. So r square divided by a square is equal to secant 2 theta. So here, so I call it as this one as equation 1, and here what do you get? We know that P is equal to r cos 2 theta. So here P by r is equal to cos 2 theta, right? So this can be written as, so here now what is secant theta? Secant, if you take it I call it this one as equation 2. So what I have, we know that a square is equal to secant 2 theta, and here what you have, P by r is equal to cos 2 theta. So if you take it to reciprocal, what you get? A square divided by r square is equal to 1 over secant 2 theta. So here also P by R is equal to cos 2 theta. So here what do you get? A square by R square is equal to cos 2 theta, right? So P by R is equal to cos 2 theta is there. So here cos theta, what do you get? 2 by R, replace that one. So R is equal to what do you get? P by R. So what do you get now? Here this R get cancelled. So P is equal to A square. A square. Sorry, this is R square. One R get eliminated. So you'll get what do you get? P into R equals A square. So this is the required solution. So is the required Padel equation in terms of P and R only. So remember that one. I forgotten here R square. This is one R get cancelled, R is remaining. So this goes to right hand side. So PR is equal to A square. So next here, R to the power of n equals A to the power of n into cos n theta. So solution. So let R to the power of n equals A to the power of n into cos n theta. So taking log on both side, we get so here what do you get? Log R to the power of n equals log A to the power of n into cos n theta. So differentiate with respect to theta, we get, so what do you get? Otherwise okay, so sorry, before that what do you get here? N into log R equals, this can be written as log A to the power of n plus log cos n theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. So we get so what do you get? N into, if you differentiate this one, 1 by R into dr by d theta equals, this is constant, so this term becomes 0, plus here if you differentiate this one, 1 over cos n theta. If you differentiate cos n theta, you will get minus sin n theta into, if you differentiate n theta, you will get n. So n by R into dr by d theta equals minus n into sin n theta divided by cos n theta. So n get cancelled. So this can be written as cot phi equals here minus tan n theta you will get here. So this can be written as here pi by 2. Here this can be written as cot phi equals cot pi by 2 plus n theta. So cot of pi by 2 plus theta is minus tan theta. So use that one. So what do you get? Phi is equal to pi by 2 plus n theta. Now consider the equation. Now you have to consider the equation. So here what do you get? P is consider P is equal to R sin phi. So P is equal to R into sin of pi by 2 plus n theta. So P is equal to R into pi by 2 plus n theta is cos n theta you will get. So now we have what is the here equation is r to the power of n equals a to the power of n into cos n theta. Here this can be written as p by r in r equals cos n theta, remember. So r to the power of n divided by a to the power of n equals cos n theta. So cos n theta can be written as p by r. So r to the power of n divided by a to the power of n equals p by r. So r goes to here and n goes to right hand side. So r to the power of n plus 1. Otherwise if you write r to the power of n into r equals p into a to the power of n. So r to the power of n plus 1 equals a to the power of n into p. So this is your required fidelity equation. So is the required pedal equation. So here next one, so here r to the power of m equals a to the power of m into cos m theta plus sin m theta. So here taking log on both sides, we get here, what do you get? This being log r to the power of m equals log a to the power of m into cos m theta plus sin m theta. So here this can be written as log m into log r equals log a to the power of m plus log of cos m theta plus sin m theta. Now here differentiate with respect to theta, we get, so here m into, if you differentiate this one, 1 by r into dr by d theta equals, this is constant term, so this becomes 0 here, plus 1 over here, what do you get? Cos m theta plus sin m theta into here. If you differentiate cos, you will get minus sin m theta into m, minus here, and here if you differentiate sin, you will get cos m theta. If you differentiate m theta, you will get m, so take it m common, so 1 by r into dr by d theta equals, here if I take m common, so what do you get here? I write cos m theta first, minus sin m theta whole divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta. So get cancelled, this can be written as cot phi equals, here cos m theta minus sin m theta whole divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta. Now take it cos m theta common, so cot phi equals, if you take it cos m theta, so what you get? 1 minus sin m theta divided by cos m theta whole divided by, if you take it cos m theta common, here 1 plus sin m theta divided by cos m theta. So here cos get cancelled, so cot phi equals, here 1 minus tan m theta divided by 1 plus tan m theta. Now here this can be written as I given the formula for that one also in first class. So what do you get? Cot phi equals, this can be written as cot pi by 4 plus m theta. So cot eliminated. So phi is equal to pi by 4 plus m theta. Now we consider P is equal to R sin phi. So P is equal to R into sin of pi by 4 plus m theta. So here cos A plus cos B you have to sin A plus sin of A plus B formula you have to apply. So P is equal to R into, what do you get here? Sin of pi by 4 into cos m theta plus cos of pi by 4 into sin m theta. So P is equal to R into, here what do you get? Sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2 into cos m theta plus cos of pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 into sin of m theta. So I will take 1 by root 2 common. P is equal to R by root 2. So we will get cos of m theta plus sin of m theta. Here I used sin of A plus B formula. Remember that one. So what do you get? Now here we have, what is here here curve R to the power of m equals A to the power of m into cos m theta plus sin m theta. Right, so I will take this one to right hand side. R to the power of n divided by A to the power of m equals cos m theta plus sin m theta. So here what do you get now? Here this can be written as root 2 here, and if you get R equals cos m theta and sin m theta, right? So substitute that here. So what you get? R to the power of n divided by A to the power of m equals, this becomes root 2 P divided by R. So R goes to here, R to the power of n into R equals root 2 P into A to the power of m. So R to the power of m plus 1 equals root 2 A to the power of m into P. So this is the required Gödel equation. So take on the homework problem. So R equals 2 into 1 plus cos theta, and second one, R to the power of n equals A to the power of n into secant hyperbolic n theta. For this one answer is, we'll get R cube equals 4 into P square, and for this one answer is 1 over P square equals 1 over R square into 2 minus R to the power of n divided by A to the power of 2.